Welcome to 5318 96th Avenue Court West in University Place, Washington, just steps away from the Chambers Bay Golf Course. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2308 square feet, lovely custom-built home is just waiting for you to come visit. Open house today from noon until 2. So let's go inside and take a walk around. As you can see, this beautiful private front yard has a little seating area off the living room there that's also going to capture morning sunshine. Beautiful architectural lines on this house. We come on inside. There's this main entryway here that goes into that living room area, and also has an entryway to the second level here. There's a second way to access that upstairs as well, we'll show you. So beautiful seating area, again sliders out into that exterior seating space. Dining area goes out onto this beautiful deck. Very low maintenance backyard, but still with lots of elbow room. A galley kitchen, which is all you need, but again with the openness and brightness into this other TV room, sitting room area that accesses the backyard. Beautiful skylights, which really lets this western sunset light in as the fir trees are skirted up high enough that you'll get that evening sunshine and warmth, but not bake. There's the backyard. A second fireplace in here. And that galley kitchen with seating area here. And then we'll go into the master on the main. Nice walk-in closet. Here's the master bath. Again with those lovely skylights. House was born in 1975 and had an effective update in 1980. This master has its own access into the backyard, back deck, and hot tub. More parking space all along the south side of the house as well. So lovely, bright and cheery master on the main. And then we come down the hallway here. And here's the second bedroom on the main. Long and narrow, but again, with these high ceilings, gives you the feeling of lots of depth. And there's that access on the outside, alongside the garage on the south portion of it, to park some other kind of trailer or boat or something else. This is the mud room that leads to the garage. Nice tile floors. Big 2-car garage. Lots of space. Lots of storage. Nice workspace here for those that are doing woodworking or other things. And then this is the second way to go upstairs, as you'll see here. But we'll go around to the main access near the front door. You'll see we did a circle. The house has great flow. Overlooks this more formal living room space with a fireplace. And we'll come around here to another bedroom. What's kind of fun is these open up, these louvers all open up down onto the living room area. This is a much bigger bedroom upstairs. And then this overlooks the backyard. Big walk-in closet. And bathroom. And then this is an in-between area here with the closet. Lots of storage. Overlooks the front yard, the garage, that beautiful 50-year roof, architectural roof. And then this is the other area on the south end of the house. Again, great space and very bright. with more skylights. And this again leads us with great flow back down to the main portion of the house. And back out to the front yard. So come see me from 12 to 2. Love to have you take a tour of this beautiful house, and then maybe take a saunter down to Chambers Bay along the course there on the waterfront. So have a great day, and I'll see you soon.